Hello friends, here I am going to teach my topic hair wash. So you may be having some idea about this topic hair wash. So starting from the introduction, supporting patients to maintain their hygiene needs while in hospital is a fundamental aspect of nursing care, yet there is very little evidence to support the practice. So helping or bearing patients to maintain their hygiene needs while in hospital is a basic feature or characteristics of nursing care, yet there is very compact proof to support the practice. Personal hygiene needs. Personal hygiene includes care of skin, hair, nails, mouth, eyes, ears, perineal areas and facial shaving. Personal hygiene means cleanliness of our body, which means how we care for our own body, like cleaning of the skin, hairs, nails, mouth, eyes, ears, perineal areas and facial shaving. These all areas must be clean or it must be hygiene. Helping patients to wash and dress is frequently delegated to junior staff, but time spent attending to a patient's hygiene needs is a valuable opportunity for nurses to carry out a holistic assessment. So helping patients to wash and dress is often given to junior staff, but spending more time attending to their hygiene needs or their cleanliness is a valuable chance for nurses to carry out a holistic means categorized by the treatment of the whole person, and assessment means evaluation of the patient. So next is definition. Hair washing is defined as that is one of the general care provided to a client who cannot clean the hair by himself or herself. Hair washing defined as, we can see here three parts. One is it is a general care. Second is that is provided to a client. Third is one who cannot clean the hair by himself or herself. So we can define it as it is a general care means it is a maintenance or improvement of health that is provided to a client who cannot clean their hair by himself or herself. Next is the purpose. To clean the scalp from dirt. To remove the dirt from the scalp. To clean scalp from dandruff, dirt and excessive oil. To remove or clean the scalp from dandruff, dirt and excessive oil. To keep the hair clean and healthy. We must keep the hair clean and healthy. To have a sense of well-being. To have a sense of being comfortable, healthy of our hair. To prevent accumulation of dust, dandruff and oil. To prevent or protect the hair from dandruff, dust, lice and oil. To stimulate circulation of blood. To stimulate the proper circulation of blood. To observe the scalp whether it has some bulging or any injuries, marks or extra masses. To prevent or treat pedicle. Pedicle means a small stalk-like structure connecting an organ or other part to the human or animal body. To prevent itching and infection. To prevent or stop from itching and infection. Infection means poison. Next is preparation of articles. A pair of gloves to prevent cross infection. To prevent from cross infection. Second, 2 bath towel, one to protect pillow and to dry hair. Wash cloth or face towel to protect the eyes from water. One bed linen to cover the patient. 2 Macintosh, one to prevent sheet from soiling. Soiling means dirty. And second to induce water drainage or to convince wastewater. Cotton balls and gauze piece in bowel to cover the eyes. Oil to apply on hair. Shampoo or liquid soap for shampooing the hair. Hair comb to comb the hair. A kidney tray and paper bag to collect the loosened hair. One basin to take water. Brush comb. Mug. One mug to make pour water. 2 jugs, one for cold water and one for hot water to maintain the temperature. Kelly pad to assist in free flow of water from the head. So you can see the image beside it. Trolley to gather articles and bring the equipment to the patient bedside. To gather all the necessary equipment and bring to the patient bedside. One bucket to collect the dirty water. Newspaper, one newspaper to make the trough if we need newspaper.